Let's talk about the huge shift in building management. It's not coming, it's happening right now.
And this isn't a small tweak. We're talking a complete transformation in how buildings are run.
So, the old way? Totally reactive. You basically just wait for something to break down completely.
But a smart system? It sees problems before they happen, preventing those expensive failures and downtime. And here's the thing, this change, it's not really a choice or a luxury anymore.
That's because a new mandate, Federal Decree Law Number 11, is forcing everyone's hand.
So what does this law demand? A full auditable data trail. Manual systems just can't do that.
And that's exactly where IoT comes in. It's pretty much built to meet these new rules.
It gives you automated reports on schedule, so you always have the documentation you need.
Okay, but this creates a really unique problem for building owners associations, BOAs.
See, everyone shares the responsibility, but the data for compliance, it has to be totally unified.
So how do you solve that? With one single IoT sensor network for the whole building.
You just install sensors in all the key spots. This gives you a complete picture of everything.
Then, all that data gets pulled together. It creates one unified report for everybody involved. For the BOA, this is huge. It's one single source of truth, making submissions way easier.
And what you get is what we call a verified smart asset. It's a really powerful new label.
In a market like this, getting verified as smart directly boosts your building's property value.
So look, the tech is here, and the law says you have to do it. It's that simple.
So the only real question left for you is, when's your building going to make the jump?